Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's video tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you how to record the Android screen. Of course, there are several reasons why we need to know how to record our screen. The first reason is for evidence purposes. If, for example, there is a audio conversation or video conversation that I want to record, more especially from one of your social media platforms, it's always very difficult to record from social media. So the best thing to do here is to know how to record the screen, so you can record those conversation and have it as an evidence. And then secondly is for social media use. You can record something from your screen and upload on one of your social media platforms, just like I'm doing right now. And then several other reasons why you need to know how to record your screen. So the first step is to go up to the top of your screen, slide it down, slide for the second time, then scroll to the left hand side while looking for screen recorder. Of course, different phones and different settings, so it depends on where your own screen recorder is being located. So now search, like for here, and I have to slide for the second time, and here is the screen recorder. So as soon as you find your screen recorder, tap on it, then go and set all the sound settings. So if you want to record your screen with no sound, then tap on no sound. If you want to record media sounds, then you go to media sounds. But if you want to record media sounds and mic, then you go to media sounds and mic. Then as soon as you tap on start recording here, whatever that happened on this screen will be automatically recorded. Just like even as I'm scrolling right now, everything here is being recorded, even if it's chat, whatever, just like I said, will be automatically recorded. So thanks so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share. You can also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys are wonderful. I love you all. Bye.